Hi. If you're watching this, then you are a few clicks away from buying yourself that perfect device which will help you alleviate stress, those annoying aches and pains, and help relax and rejuvenate your body and mind. Lifelong introduces its all-new range of ergonomically designed, sleek and stylish massagers that will help you or anyone in your family get a spa-like experience in the comfort of your home at any given time. Today we bring to you the Mani-Pole Massager. As you can see, it fits perfectly in your hands with a grip that ensures that you get the most effective massage. We are now going to start with the wave attachment. Put it in place. Then attach the protective cover. This attachment produces waves, increase circulation and alleviate aches and pains. Turn the dial top switch and choose the intensity you're comfortable with. We now move on to the scrapping attachment. This head has a slight scrapping action and aids in relaxation and fat breakdown. The third attachment is the rolling one. It helps with the breakdown of fat deposits and increases circulation, helping with weight loss, pain relief, and relaxation. We recommend not using it for more than 15 minutes on the same spot. Massage is increasingly being offered along with standard treatment for a wide range of medical conditions and situations. Studies of the benefits of massage demonstrate that it is an effective treatment for reducing tension and muscle tension.